Guys and gals, welcome back to SOS. I'm BA. Alright, for today I'm in hardware mode and I'm making steel targets to shoot at because I would prefer to have something that I don't have to keep replacing. So, this is a Challenger's kit. Got all the pieces, so my wife and I can compete with one another. She's much better at me, better at shooting than I am, right? Alright. Got that bracket. 5, but I've got 6 one in here. There it is. Good, I don't have to cut any steel. I hate cutting this stuff, man. It's always a pain in the butt. Alright. All this stuff laid out, and it's gotta get warmed up and get going. Way we're going to shoot from, like this. Target will be here.
Yes.
Like that.
That way we're going diagonal towards there.
Those pokies got me. They got me. Well, Ellie calls them the pokies.
Yeah.
The pokies.
Beware the pokies!
The pokies are everywhere.
Now, keeping on the level.
Ugh.
Word.
Gosh, man.
Should have had your protein shake today, bro. Come on, shorty.
Really? I can't reach. Am I gonna get it? Ah.
There you go.
I got it.
Now just hang on it.
Alright. Blue. Red.
Yep.
Blue. Red. So what you would do if you started a game, it's kind of neat, huh? Is that neat?
Yeah, it's like Top Shot.
I know, right? So I would do this, and this, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this. That's right, 3 and 3.
Yep.
And that's how we would start our match. You know, you would take one color and I'd take the other. And then if I kick one over to yours, that gives you one more blue.
Yep.
So you got to kick it back to me. Pretty funny, huh?
Yep.
It didn't break.